In this video, we will look at comments a little closer. So let's get started. I opened up idle. I'm typing in a pound sign, and then whatever text I put after that is considered a comment. Comments do not run when the program gets ran, but they do get read by the Python interpreter. If I type in print 5 plus 4 and run it, you see nothing happens where the comment is, but you of course see the 9 printed out. So these statements can also be commented out, like print 5 plus 4. And when I do that, as we saw in the earlier video, it doesn't actually run that code anymore. It still gets read, but it gets ignored because it's been commented out. So that is a single or inline Python comment with a pound sign. And most languages have an official block or multi-line comment option. Python doesn't really have one of those. So with a multi-line comment, you want to comment a whole bunch of lines out. Very classic one is a forward slash and a star, followed by the statement you want to comment out, and then a star and a forward slash. And again, Python doesn't recognize that, but many languages do. Typically the C-style languages like Java, JavaScript, C#, C++, and even the SQL database language. So it's one that you'll see in programming in general, but in Python we don't have one of those, not officially. Unofficially, you can put in 3 single quotes and it will act like a block comment. So this actually does the same thing. It's kind of odd that it's not official, but it's certainly used quite a bit. So now every statement within those triple quote is considered commented code. Comments are something that allow you to leave notes behind for yourself or for somebody else. And using more verbose comments is pretty handy, especially at the top of a scripting file. So if you're making a little py script file, putting a nice little block of comments at the top describing what you're trying to do is not a bad idea, especially if you want somebody to be able to open it a few months later and see what the intent of your little script file was. Of course, you could also just use it to block out code. So here I've uncommented those 2 print statements and they work. And sometimes that's all you want. You just want to comment some code to test a theory out and then uncomment to make sure the code runs again. You go back and forth. We'll be using comments a lot in this course, and once again it will become kind of a natural thing for you to work with.